Right, in this session we'll be looking at collecting like terms and simplifying of expressions. Okay, have a look at the first question, question number 1. Now, the way you collect like terms or simplify this expression is, firstly I need to identify the like terms. So all the A's are like. Remember, we said that 1 apple and 3 apples, the same thing. We're talking about apples, so there'll be like terms. So 1 banana and 2 bananas, we're talking about bananas, it will be like terms, okay? Yeah, and you need to remember that A and B are pronumerals, so they can be anything, okay? And when we group the like terms, we know that 1a plus 3a is 4a, and 1b plus 2b is 3b. That gives us an answer of 4a plus 3b. And now it's time for our next question, d minus 2d plus 3e plus d. So let's firstly try and pick out the common terms. Can you see the d's are all common, so I'm going to color that red, and the e is different, so I'm going to put a purple line underneath that. So now we group all the terms. Remember the d minus 2d. So if I got 1d and I take away 2d's, I'm going to have minus 1d. Because if you think about a number line, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, so that's how I get the minus 1d. And look at the rest of the solution. So I end up with a minus d and then a plus d, which becomes 0d. So I don't have to show that, and all I'm left with is 3e. Okay, now we look at the next question, question 3. 99x minus 12xy plus x minus 12xy squared. Then the x's are common or like terms, so I can group them together. Remember, x and xy are totally different things. They mean totally different things, okay? So they are not like terms. And also xy squared is definitely not the same as xy, and it's also not the same as x. So that's why I've got 3 different colored lines. The red means they can be grouped together. The purple and the green are all different, okay? So the solution would be 99x plus x is 100x, so that's how I get the 100x, and then minus 12xy and minus 12xy squared. So remember, I'm copying the minuses from both sides. I'm copying the entire term, and that includes the minus. So it'll be minus 12xy and minus 12xy squared. Now question 4 is a bit more tricky. Okay, you got 2 times all of x plus 3y minus 2x, or another way of saying it is 2 into x plus 3y minus 2x. How would you simplify something like this? In class I mentioned you've got 2 lots of x plus 3y, that means x plus 3y plus x plus 3y. But here I'm going to show you another much more easier method. It's called the distributive law. I want you to follow this carefully and see how the arrows work, and then you will understand this better. You have noticed that the first arrow is the purple arrow. The purple arrow is just taking the 2 and multiplying by x, and then the red arrow, I'm basically copying the plus sign. The green arrow, I'm taking 2 and multiplying it by the second term, which is 3y, so 2 times 3y. And the next, the light blue arrow is the minus 2x. So now I try and work that out. 2 times x I know is 2x, 2 times 3y is 2 lots of 3y, which is 6y, and then the minus 2x. I can group the x's. 2x minus 2x is no x, so 0x, and then I've got 6y, so my answer is 6y. Okay, now we look at the next question. 3x into 2 plus x minus x squared. Just like in question 4, we multiply 3x times 2, then we multiply 3x times x, and then we subtract x squared. Okay, you can follow the walkings and the arrows. Okay, that it gives us an answer of 6x plus 2x squared. The important thing to remember here is that x squared are the only like terms. So 3x squared minus x squared, you're going to get 2x squared. X squared and x are not like terms, so that's why you can't combine them together. So this is the furthest we can go, and that's the answer.